Alrighty, D-Handyman here, and today we got a urinal. First time trying a urinal. Urinal just it's getting stuck when you flush it, and it's leaking out water all from the handle. So it's the flush valve. So we're gonna go ahead and this right here has a cap, and what I'm turning off right now is the valve to cut off the water. And then it's another part to loosen up. Left it loosey. And when I took this off, I was rather surprised. You can see a sock right here. As soon as I pull it, I was like, whoa. Didn't I expect all that water to come out, but yeah. That's it right there. Went ahead and ordered the part, replaced it, and now it's not getting stuck. The handle's not getting stuck. It's not leaking no more. And as soon as I flush it, it bounces back up to the upright position, flushes clearly, and that's it. Urinal is fixed, no more water. The Handyman out.